things around you in nature.
Lesson 2.
Pyramid. Pyramid.
A big stone building with a pointed top.
We visited the ancient pyramids in Egypt during our trip.
View. View. What can see from a place?
The hotel room has a beautiful view of the sea.
Environment. Environment. The world around us: air, land, water.
We should protect the environment by reducing plastic waste.
Fire. Fire. Something that burns give heat.
The forest fire destroyed many trees last summer.
Nest. Nest. A home for birds.
The bird made a nest in the tall tree.
Air. Atmosphere. What we breathe.
The air is cleaner in the countryside than in the city.
Breath. Breathe. Air we take in and out.
After running, he took a deep breath of fresh air.
Path. Path. A small road for walking.
We followed a narrow path through the forest.
Hole. Hole. An empty space in the ground.
The rabbit disappeared into a hole in the ground.
Swan. Swan.
A big white bird with a long neck. The swan moved slowly across the lake.
Eagle. Eagle. A large, strong bird.
The eagle flew high above the mountains looking for food.
Camel. Camel. An animal that lives in the desert.
The camel can survive many days without water.
Tortoise. Tortoise. An animal with a hard shell.
The tortoise lives for many years in warm places.
Dinosaur. A very big animal from the past. Extinct. Gone. No longer living.
Dinosaurs became extinct millions of years ago.
Light. Bright. Dark.
The room was dark, but the light from the lamp made it bright.
Thank you.